I think it's cool if Nike's trying to find a new way to put on the Nike Air on the tongue. And then going into the, that's weird, on the shoe. The shoes say 9. Give me 1 second. Alright guys, so we are back home now. The clip you just saw was my initial reaction when I was unboxing the Patinas. So to give a little background before I play the rest of the video, me and my brother hit on the Patina 1s, which dropped today, May 4th, 2021. So he got a size 10.5, I got a size 9.5. He purchased his at Nike, I purchased mine at Shoe Palace. And yeah, they ended up being mismatched. Obviously, it's not the Shoe Palace and Nike's fault. It's from where they originally came from. Just a mistake, you know. It was an inconvenience because we were out for a while at multiple stores trying to fix it. But shout out to the people who helped me at Shoe Palace. Right now, we had my pair. Everything's good with that. We were able to get another pair from another location, and they just took back the mismatched pair. But yeah, really kind people over there, really nice, very helpful. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. And then regarding the last pair that we have to fix, it should get fixed tomorrow. So hopefully everything works out with that. I'm not too sure on the details, but yeah, hopefully that can get fixed. But yeah, the initial video was pretty long. I was doing the usual reviews I do. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with my channel, but I do sneaker reviews on almost every release that comes out. And yeah, you guys are gonna see me going to both stores purchasing the shoes, and then I also included some pictures and the receipts, so all that is there at the end of the video. And yeah, just very weird occurrence. Crazy that it happened twice and me and my brother got a mismatched pair. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. But yes, we are only 40 subs away from 300. Huge milestone. That would mean so much to hit. So if you guys like the videos, make sure to stick around by dropping a sub. But anyways, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. And let's see the rest of the video. Thank you. What's up guys, it's Jordan. Today we are going to be picking up the Air Jordan 1 Patina. Look how nice the casino. Venetian, MGM, Caesar's Palace, very nice casino. I don't know, I'm on the fence between liking them and not liking them. If they come out more of that shadow color, I think I'll really like them, but that mint green, I don't know, it doesn't seem right. The Shoe Palace is right there, so let's go inside and pick up the train, take a quick glance at it. Before we get into the details, I'll let you guys see it first. Okay, not bad. That leather does look good. And we'll save the rest for home. At Caesars, I believe. Yeah. So we're gonna head over there and get home. I don't know if we might sign up for some more raffles for the citrus, because I was really feeling those. But yeah, look at the vibe. So anyways, on to Caesars. And here we are. It is empty today. Cody, when's the last time you hit a shoe here?
Last week.
Cap. You're good. The Raging Bulls, right?
I hit 3 pairs of UNC 4s here. A couple University Blue ones. Raging Bulls.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Alright. Stop the cap. Alrighty, Cody. Bad or...
What does those paintings actually cost?
Huh?
But I wonder how much those paintings cost. What if I go in there and say I'm the one who painted it?
What did he say?
This is my artwork.
And now we just gotta go home, look at the details, and check out how they came out. But
extra pack of green lace. I think that's gonna go good.
Yeah. Look how nice. It's really dead today, but very nice to see how calm it is sometimes. Got a bunch of cool stores here too. I think it's cool if Nike's trying to find a new way to put on the Nike Air on the tongue. And then going into the, that's weird, on the shoe. The shoes say 9. Give me 1 second. Yo, okay, so that is one of the weirdest things that has ever happened to me in the sneak game. Let me show you. So, here is my brother's pair that he went to pick up today. You can see size 11. And, yep, size 11. And the box, I got the boxes mixed up. What is going on? The patinas aren't men's size. I mean, the patinas aren't women's size, they're men's size. So, this size 11, okay? It came in a 10.5 box. That's from Nike. Now, this is a size 10.5. And it came in a 9.5 box. We only went to pick up 2 pairs of shoes today. And I got it on film, both. So, I guess the 10.5, boom, you can match it here, it doesn't matter. Whatever. But why did a men's size 11 come in a size 9.5? What? Like, let me actually see if this makes any sense. So, Nike actually gave out, because it barely even fits. If I put the other one, it won't even fit in there. So, yeah, the size 11 came in the 10.5 box, because that's not going to fit in there. So, I guess it's my bad? But we only got 2 pairs. They're right here. The boxes are right here. I'm so confused. Is it women's sizing? Because this size 11, so even if 9.5, even if it's women's sizing, this 9.5, which is fine, I guess. But then this is 10.5, which is a 9, which is not the size. What? Nike did have the thing where it was where they pushed it back and it was like over a month. And these came from 2 different locations. Like I said, one came from Nike, the other one came from Shoe Palace. But both the sizes were mixed up. I have a size 10.5, but it didn't come from the 10.5 box. If you understand what I'm saying. If that makes any sense. Like, because I was doing the what? Yeah, so the size 10.5 came in the 9.5 box, because the 11s, I just tried to put it in. The 11s wouldn't even fit in the box. So the 11s came in the size 10.5 box. How's that even possible? So I guess I'll give my brother a size 10.5, but now I have a size 11 shoe? And the boxes, I don't have a size 11 box? Like, okay, I guess I have a size 10.5 box. But how did both locations mess it up? Like, that is so weird. I'm so confused. I'm gonna have to call Shoe Palace. They probably can't do anything for me. But yeah, so I guess to finish off the review, overall very clean shoe. Now like the vibe is killed, because like I can't even really wear these now because size 11 is huge. But anyways, still gonna give you guys my honest opinion. I really like this shoe. I think it was really cool. This back panel looks way better in person than it does online. The black leather on the shoe, very, very soft. You can see it up here. Look how soft that looks. Very, very good. The insole is black with that mint green. Looks amazing. Overall, I like the shoe, but it's kind of like I just lost $185. So, because I guess I could sell it without a box. I don't know. But yeah, I literally don't know what to say. I'm gonna call Shoe Palace right now. I'll let you guys know what they say. But yeah, so inside sole black with the mint green. They come with extra laces. Very, very cool. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I am just literally so shocked. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, please drop a like and a sub. Like I said, we're only 40 subs away from 300. And now I gotta go figure this out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. I'll see you next time. Jordan out. Yeah.
Alright, so we drove all the way back. We brought the plane home. Shoe Palace right there. We're gonna see what they said. We have the receipts and we have the videos, so everything should be good. But I still don't know. So let's go ahead and so he's gonna check. He's kind of confused too, but I don't know. He's gonna try and work something out. All right, so I don't know how long we were there, but shout out to the staff. They're super nice and willing to help. So they have a 9.5 at fashion show, so we're supposed to just go there and I don't know, exchange this pair for that pair. So that was really cool. So I'm glad that we got it resolved, and it was just really nice that they were able to help. So as far as the other pair, we just don't know. We probably won't know until a day or two if we can get any help for it. But yeah, other than that, if you guys like it, make sure to drop a like. And we're only 40 subs away from 300, so make sure to subscribe if you like the video. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time, hopefully. So have a good day, guys. See you.
I didn't even realize how terrible my hair looks. It looks like, what's that guy? Dwight from The Office, like split right down the middle. I need a hat or something, anything to cover this up.